Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss polynomials, exercise 3.4. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the division for a polynomials. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem, that is how to find the divisions for the polynomials. Dear students, don't skip the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Question number 1. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the coefficient and remainder in each of the following. In that second one, p of x equal x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. G of x equal x square plus 1 minus x. Fourth question, p of x equal x power 4 minus 5x plus 6. G of x equal 2 minus x square. So in this we need to find coefficient and remainder. So now second solution, given p of x equal x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. G of x equal x square plus 1 minus x. So when we can take the dividend and divisor, you can write in one order, either ascending or descending order. So first I am taking the dividend, I am taking dividend, it is x power 4. Next it is a power decrease 4. Next to decrease the power means 0 into x cube. Here x cube term is based that instead of that one I am taking 0 into x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Here divisor, first x square highest power, then next decrease the powers means minus x plus 1 we are getting. Now it is the rough work. So in the divisor is first term is x square, dividend in first term is x power 4. Dividend by divisor you have to take x power 4 by x square. X square get cancelled means it is remaining. X square is remaining means x square 2. You can take that. What is the divisor? That one you have to take means x square minus x plus 1, that equal x square into x square x power 4 plus into minus x square into x cube plus into plus x square into 1 x square. This is the first step. Now this one you can write it here, x power 4 minus x cube plus x square. Now here we need to take, changing the signs. Here minus, plus means minus. Here minus it is there, plus you have to take. Here plus is there, minus. Here plus x power 4 minus x power 4 get cancelled. 0 into x cube means that value is 0 only. So we are adding x cube means we can get x cube. Here both are minus, same signs, minus 4x square plus 4x. So now step number 2, this is the step number 1, this is the step number 2. So in this x cube by divisor in first term is x square. X square cancel means we are getting only x, means plus x. X2 we need to multiply divisor, x square minus x plus 1. Now we need to multiply x into x square, x cube plus into minus x into x square plus into plus x into 1 x. This value we need to write it here, means x cube minus x square plus x. Here this is the minus minus becomes plus, this plus becomes minus. X cube get cancelled. Here minus 4x square, now sign it is plus. Minus 4x square plus x square. 1 plus 1 minus, we need to subtract. Means we are getting minus 3x square. Here 4x is the plus, x is the minus. 1 plus 1 minus means we need to subtract. 4x to 1x subtracting means we are getting 3x. This last term we can take as it is, plus 5. Now once you have to compare here, degree is 2, here degree also 2, means it is possible. Now you can take the step number 3 you have to take. So step number 3, in this first term, minus 3x square by divisor in first term, x square. So x square get cancelled means minus 3. This minus 3 you can write it here, minus 3. So minus 3 of, what is the divisor? That one too we need to multiply. So x square minus x plus 1. So minus into plus minus, 3 into x square, 3x square, minus into minus plus, 3 into x, 3x, minus into plus minus, 3 ones are 3. This value we need to write here, minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. Now we need to change the signs. This minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. This is minus 3x square plus 3x square get cancelled, and here plus 3x and here minus 3x get cancelled. Here it is the plus 5 plus 3, both are plus means we need to add 5 plus 3, that is 8. So here we are getting the remainder 8. So this degree is also we are getting less than the g of x only. So here we got the q of x and r of x, that one you have to write it. Coefficient q of x equal, so what is the coefficient? That one we need to write, x square plus x minus 3, and remainder r of x equal, we got it here 8. This is about second problem. Now next, third problem. Given polynomials p of x equal, here it is given by x power 4 minus 5x plus 6, g of x equal 2 minus x square. So here dividend and divisor is given. We need to find quotient and remainder we have to find. So first we can take the dividend. So highest power x power 4. Then next x cube term we need. X cube term here missing term you can take 0 into that one you have to take. 0 into x cube plus x square term also missing, means 0 into x square minus x term it is there, minus 5x plus 6. Here divisor 2 minus x square is given. 2 minus x square means just we need to arrange in the decreasing order. Descending order we have to arrange. Decreasing order. Means minus x square plus 2. Now here this is the rough work. Step number 1. Step number 1, in the dividend in first term, that is x power 4 by divisor in first term is x square. X square get cancelled means minus x square we are getting. That minus x square you can write it here, minus x square 2, we need to multiply divisor, minus x square plus 2, that equal minus into minus plus x square into x square, x power 4, minus into plus minus x square into 2 x square. This one we need to write here, x power 4 plus here x cube term not there means 0 minus 2x square. X square term here we need to write x square term only. So this is minus, this plus. So this is plus x square, plus x power 4 minus x power 4 get cancelled. Here 0 into x cube means 0 plus 0, we are getting 0 only. Next here we are getting only plus 2x square we are getting, that is minus 5x as it is we can take down, and plus 6 also we can take down. Step number 2. So what is the step number 2? Here first term it is 2x square by divisor in first term minus x square. X square get cancelled, that is minus 2. You can write here minus 2. Minus 2 to what is the divisor, that one we need to multiply. Means minus x square plus 2. Minus into minus plus, 2 into x square 2x square, minus into plus minus, 2 into 2 4. Means we can take here 2x power 2 plus here x term means we can take 0 minus 4. Now we can change the signs. Here it is the plus means minus, here 0 nothing value, so here minus means plus. So plus 2x square minus 2x square get cancelled. Here it is minus 5x plus 10 we are getting. So here degree of this one you have to take it. So degree is 1. Here divisor degree is 2. Means we need to stop. This is the where becomes it is a remainder. Degree of remainder always degree of the divisor. Means r of x less than g of x. The degree of r of x less than degree of g of x. Now we can write it quotient and remainder. Quotient q of x equal minus x square minus 2. Now remainder r of x equal minus 5x plus 10 is the remainder. In the next upcoming video, we will focus on first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial or not. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students and viewers, do you like this video? Please share to your friends and family members. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.